Hey peace seekers, as a pharmacist, I'm often asked about CBD and its potential benefits. So a few years ago, I decided to give it a try myself and see what the hype was about. And I have to say, I was really impressed. At first, I didn't think CBD would make such a difference in my mood and sleep, but it ended up making a big difference, which is why I became really passionate about CBD and wanting to help others discover it for themselves. So if you want me to make more videos like this and you want to learn about my experience, please give me a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to my channel. So right now I'm actually taking CBD daily, and I mainly take it for it to help me with my mood and my sleep. I find that when I take CBD regularly, it helps me feel more relaxed, more calm, which is really helpful when I'm having a busy day. So typically when I'm having a busy day, I take my CBD in the morning, and it helps to just decrease my decrease my stress, keep me calm, and it allows me to have a more productive day. And then at the end of the night, when I take CBD before bed, I notice that I'm able to fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. So prior to me taking CBD, I noticed that I would toss and turn all throughout the night. I would wake up often in the middle of the night and have trouble falling back asleep. But the days that I do take my CBD, I'm not tossing and turning as much, and I'm able to sleep throughout the night, which results to me waking up feeling refreshed. And then being a pharmacist, I am a data nerd. And so I recently purchased this Aura ring. If you guys aren't familiar with it, it's kind of like an Apple Watch, but it specializes in tracking your sleep and giving you data on how well you slept. And so I mainly wanted to get the Aura ring to see if there was an actual difference in my sleep quality when I take CBD versus when I'm not taking CBD. And the results of having this ring has been honestly eye-opening. I've had it for almost 2 months now, and I've noticed that there's been a significant difference in my sleep quality the days that I'm taking CBD versus the days that I'm not. So the ring will tell you how many minutes of deep sleep you have, REM sleep you have, light sleep you have. And I noticed that my REM sleep and my deep sleep is always higher with CBD. It'll also show you how many times you moved throughout the night and how many times you woken up. And so typically I will wake up 4 to 5 times a night every night, but now I'm finding that I wake up way less than that. So my typical dosage for CBD, it ranges with everyone, and there's a difference in the products that you can take. Right now I'm taking 2 different products. I go back and forth between Dr. Peace Lily Sleep Gummy, which has CBD and CBN. And then other nights I will take the 1,000 milligram tincture. So just depending on my mood, the tincture, it helps me to fall asleep faster, but the sleep gummies, it helps me to stay asleep longer. And with sleep, you typically need a higher dosage compared to mood. So right now, I average between 25 milligrams and 40 milligrams of CBD every night, just depending on how I'm feeling, if I'm feeling extra tired, or if I have a lot of thoughts in my mind that's floating around and I need to calm my mind down. Something else that I do on really harder nights when I have a really hard time falling asleep, it might be a crazy week, my mind is just racing with thoughts, I will take Dr. Peace Lily's capsules. Those are full spectrum, they're 40 milligrams, and they're really strong. So they're too strong for me to take every night on a daily basis, but the days that I'm really struggling, I will take those, and I find it to work like magic. I'm able to fall asleep and stay asleep. Now granted, my body is really sensitive. That's why I cannot take 40 milligrams every single night, especially a full spectrum capsules. But I do have a lot of customers that take the capsules every day and every night. And so they're able to take it during the day and function and not have any issues. So it's all about just giving it a try. Seeing what works for you. At Dr. Peace Lily, I offer free consultation. So if you guys want to find out what dosage or what product would work for you, feel free to comment below or go on my website and send me a message. Now, during the day for my mood, I like to take CBD right after breakfast, and that helps the most with absorption. When you take CBD with food, data and studies have shown that you will absorb more CBD when you take it with food, especially something fatty, because CBD, it's a lipophilic molecule, and so if you take it with another substance that's fatty, like avocado, healthy oils, it'll absorb faster. So during the day, I take a much smaller dosage compared to night. I'll typically take between 15 to 25 milligrams. I take either the regular vegan gummies. They're 25 milligrams. They really help with my energy, my focus, motivation, decreasing my stress level. And the days where I'm not craving a gummy, maybe I'm not craving something sweet, I'll take the tincture, because there's a 500 milligram tincture that I offer, and that's great for a lot of stress because it works the fastest. You're supposed to take it sublingually, and I noticed that I'm feeling much more calmer and centered within 15-20 minutes of taking the tincture. So I would highly encourage, if anyone's curious about CBD, definitely talk to your healthcare provider about it, talk to your own pharmacist about it, and see if CBD is something that you can try and if it can help you. And if you guys have any specific questions about CBD, or if you've taken CBD for your sleep and mood and had success, please comment below and let me know. I would love to hear from you guys, and then you guys can also follow me on Instagram if you want to follow along and learn more.